Does Pure Storage gain access to the intellectual property for server designs as part of their collaboration with NVIDIA? If so, does this make Pure Storage a fast car in an already crowded space of storage servers?
That's a great question. Glad you like the fast car analogy. I think it's a very appropriate way of thinking about most tech businesses. Yes, we do believe Pure Storage is the fastest car in what they do in that particular part of the storage market, specifically, I should say, flash, in what is an otherwise crowded space. Yes, I don't know that they're a fast car because of their access to the server designs, because of the collaboration with NVIDIA. NVIDIA will partner with, this is the beauty of a vertically integrated company like NVIDIA that has IP. They'll license that IP to anybody that will pay for it, because the more competition for ancillary parts and pieces to NVIDIA's vertically integrated solutions, the more cost control NVIDIA gets. This is kind of like what made Apple so great with the iPhone in particular. There were lots of companies that started lining up to design hardware that went into the iPhone. Apple said yes to everybody that could meet their qualifications on quality and accessibility of supply. And that allowed Apple to control costs, which has made them a profit generating machine. The same is going to pan out for NVIDIA. Pure Storage can be part of that ecosystem. What makes Pure Storage a fast car, though, is that they have their own intellectual property that they can license out on a different type of vertically integrated data center market, that being storage versus the logic side, accelerated computing logic side that NVIDIA plays in. Now, the two do have to play together, and that's where trading IP with each other would come into play. But just simply having access to NVIDIA's accelerated computing systems IP doesn't make Pure Storage a fast car. It's just that they have their own. As we break down the individual segments of the semiconductor supply chain this year, we decided to break it down into individual pieces. The intro is out if you haven't seen it. We are working on the EDA segment, and then hot on the heels of that will be the IP and patents segment. And we'll explain why, a little bit more in depth than we have in the past, why companies that purely just manage IP have rarely made the cut for us personally, and why we love companies that figure out a way to vertically integrate the IP with an actual end market product. And Pure Storage kind of fits into that category along with NVIDIA.